Hi, I have a lead ball in a container floating in a beaker of water. I'm going to take this lead ball out of the container and drop it into the water here. Will the water level rise, stays the same, or go lower? Think about it. The short answer is the water level is going to fall because a sunken lead ball displaces less water than a floating lead ball. Let me explain. For the sake of discussion, let's say that the container on its own weighs 8 grams and the lead ball weighs another 8 grams. So in total we have 16 grams of mass floating in water. This implies that 16 grams of water must have been displaced. Because to float 16 grams of mass, 16 grams of water must be displaced, so that the weight of fluid displaced is equals to the weight of the floating object. So this amount of water here must be 16 grams, out of which 8 grams is displaced to support the weight of the container, and another 8 grams is displaced to support the weight of the lead ball. Let's now take the lead ball out of the container and drop it into the water. The container by itself weighs only 8 grams, so it's going to displace 8 grams of water and it'll stay afloat. But what about the lead ball? Is the lead ball still going to displace 8 grams of water? The answer is no. A sunken lead ball displaces only its own volume of water. Do you think this volume of water weighs as much as this volume of lead ball? Of course not. Lead is about 8 times as dense as water. So if this is 8 grams of lead, this will be just about 1 gram of water. In the first place, this is the reason why lead ball sinks, because it's not able to displace enough water to generate an upthrust that can support its weight. So last time in total, we have displaced 16 grams of water. But with the lead ball sunk in the water, in total we displaced only about 9 grams of water. So if you displace less water, the water does not rise up as much. So the water level would have fallen compared to last time. So problem solved. Yay!